A good self-love meditation is something that helps you rewire all those programs or voices that we have inherited that run in your head automatically. So there's different ways to do this. And the important thing is that it feels good for you and it feels authentic for you. And it's something you look forward to doing. So there's different techniques. One is called body scans. You can close your eyes and all you're doing is bringing your attention inwards and focusing on different parts of your body and observing without judgment, which is a huge part of meditations. So you're bringing the attention inwards and you say, for example, you go to your shoulders and you're just observing, how are my shoulders feeling in this moment? Okay, they're feeling tense. That's okay. I can sit with that. And you just continue to go through your body and just observe. In essence, self-love is feeling safe and feeling grounded, observant, and accepting. So again, you could do the body scans, you can do affirmations, you can do breathing exercises where you breathe into parts of your body. For example, if you have issues with certain parts of your body, you can breathe into your belly and just be with your belly, be with your breath. Anything that creates safety is really important for self-love. And if you need more support with how to do this, I created a YouTube channel and you can check the link below in the caption.